Hey guys, Greg here. Welcome back to the channel. Really appreciate you being here. And we have some really exciting things to talk about today. And it's really how to generate leads and how to put your LiveGood business on autopilot and make that LiveGood business grow automatically. Day after day, week after week, year after year, without you putting any more effort to it. How do we get to that point? That's the key, right? You want to build residual income to the point that instead of you having to go make the money's making it for you. That's the key to building wealth in anything that you do. Another key to building wealth and to become successful is you want to, first of all, find somebody that is doing what you want to do. If you want to become a millionaire, you go find a millionaire and you learn what they did to do that, right? If you want to learn how to build the best yachts in the world, you go find the best yacht builder and learn how he did it. So in anything in life, you want to go and seek out those people that are doing what you want to do. You want to get those results, go find them. And then second of all, you have to have a system. You have to have a system that is scalable and you can duplicate that system. And every time that system is duplicated, it produces favorable results. So when I first joined LiveGood, one of the first things I did was, of course, go look at the products because I needed some protein powder. And I was like, well, do they have protein that's as good or maybe better than what I'm currently taking? So sure enough, went and checked out their protein, and it's a lot better than what I was taking. So very happy about that. And then the second thing I did was I went to go check out my team. Like I already knew who my enroller was. That's my brother. Okay. Then my upline platinum is Rob Fore, and my upline diamond leader is Jeff Amon. Okay. So of course my brother talks a lot about Rob, and I hadn't known Rob personally up to this point. My brother had talked a lot about him. So then I went to go look at the leaderboard, and I'm like, I wonder if they're on the leaderboard. I wonder where they're at. Well, sure enough, Jeffrey Amon, top enroller of the whole company, over 620 personally enrolled members. And then Rob Fore, also in the top 10, number 7, 183 personally enrolled members. Boom, there we go. That's who I need to learn from. I need to figure out what that blueprint is. I need to figure out how they did it. So what do? I reach out to Rob and, ask him, hey, how do I do what you did? He's like, well, I'm glad you asked, Greg. His sponsor, Bramble, they both put together a system for our team called the Job Free Revolution Team. And it is the blueprint of their success. So I said, I want to duplicate that. I want to do exactly what you did to get that success. He said, great, let me send you a link. So this is the link that he sent me. Welcome to the Job Free Revolution. Has our Facebook group on there, Rob Fore, Nick Bramble's Telegram chat, and then our Job Free Revolution team site, which has a lot of good education and training on it. And then a great intro from Nick. I've never known Nick. I feel like I'm really getting to know him. Amazing guy, both Rob and Nick. Amazing leaders. I feel so lucky and fortunate to be on their team and excited to grow, with them. So this video here is of Rob Fore introducing the Job Free Revolution site and really the conception and what we want to do with the Job Free Revolution. Great video. So you just watch that video and then introduction of Nick as well. And then you can click on this advanced training here and you jump right into it. Welcome, let's get started. And I'll have this link up here, the Simple Proven Systems. And I'll also have the Job Free Revolution. So those people that are on our team can get plugged into this and start seeing success today. And that's what kind of leads me back to, what I started off with. When I first started, it was crazy because I'm just so excited about the compensation plan, the products, everything. I just start sharing it with my friends, my family, everybody that I know. And I went silver literally in 1 week. I went bronze in 1 hour. I went silver in 1 week. And my good friend Ed, he did the same thing. He saw my success and wanted to duplicate what I was doing. So he did the exact same thing. He went silver the same week I went silver in our very first week, right? And then we brought a lot of people along with us to be bronze. And that is such an amazing feeling to see other people having success by just sharing the link that LiveGood provides you. And it's a powerful, powerful video. And so you want to begin just to duplicate that success. And as my warm leads, or that what I call the low-hanging fruit, it wasn't as available to me, that's when I'm just like, okay, I want to do more. I want to just keep going. This is exciting. I want to keep going. I want to go all the way to diamond. My first 90 days, that 90-day action plan, I'm going to go all out and just make it happen. And so we've created this freight train on our team from all this massive action. And if you want to get on this freight train, jump on aboard. There's plenty of room, and you guys can do it too. You just duplicate what we have been doing, and it just gets better and more fun every day. So we get into the site here, and we click on this Get Instant LiveGood marketing pages. This is really cool. I mean, these guys know exactly what they're doing. All you do is put your LiveGood username in here. Mine is G Rainbow. Okay, you can put in an advertising source code if you want to. You don't have to. And then you create my LiveGood marketing pages. And this creates about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7 good initial LiveGood marketing pages that you can send out so that people become pre-enrollees. And you can just get free leads all day long. So of course I'm doing these YouTube videos to create free leads. I'm also doing some Facebook, I won't call them advertisement, but Facebook reach outs, if you will. I don't do posts on Facebook, but what I do, let me show you what I'm doing to generate leads on Facebook. Literally go to up here in the search bar and I type in home-based business or MLM or network marketing, right? And I get in here, this one's a home-based business. If you look at this, here's the number, 23,000 members. I don't think I'll be running out of leads anytime soon at 23,000 members. This is just one group, all right? And look at this. I can go ahead, just message. I probably wouldn't do it more than 20 times. I like to spread it out, do 10 times like in the morning, 10 times in the evening. Then I do a YouTube video. I also send out some emails to my personal email list, my personal friends. Maybe I haven't talked to them in a while, but they're in my contact list. They're on my phone. And all I do is say, hey, Dave, have you seen this? And then we're growing. We just put in over 100,000 new members into the company over the last 30 days. Check this out. And it takes them right into the page. And so what I want to do here is bring them back. Okay, when you click on this link here, it opens up an awesome video. You may have seen this by Ben. MLM is broken, we fixed it, right? You just select the video that's most appropriate to whoever you're sending this to, okay? Just go through here and experiment with them, check them out, see what they do, play around with them, and then you get an idea of which one you want to send out. And then when they click on yes, show me the fix, that takes them right to your website, Greg Rainbolt's website. They put in their name and their email. It's that easy, okay? So as we go through this training and through the Job Free Revolution site here, the first 3 things you want to do is you want to get connected through the chat. Of course, you want to take the products. I mean, why wouldn't you? They give you so much energy. My workouts have never been better. And then you want to get your 2, right? It goes back to getting to bronze. You want to get 2 people and you want to help them get 2. You want to help as many people get to bronze as you possibly can as fast as you can. All right. Then the next important part here is setting your system up on autopilot. What do you do with all of those pre-enrollees, right? Now you've got all these pre-enrollees and you need to follow up with them. So that's where we come into the next part of the putting your business on autopilot. Okay, and so when you get into here, this does all the training for you of how to really do that. And I'm not going to get into a lot of details of setting it up on autopilot. Basically, is dealing with building the funnels and basically putting in 30 minutes a day to really get the results that you need to follow up with your pre-enrollees. And so you'll need an autoresponder and you'll need a funnel builder. And the best funnel builder is the one you already have. If you don't have one, click on the link below and it'll take you right to a great funnel builder. It's a lot less expensive than a lot of other funnel builders out there, only $25 a month, and it'll get you started on the right track. But let me show you this too. Let me show you what this looks like for your pre-enrollees. So we have these here, down here, 1 click to upgrade Thursday cutoff relay. Okay, so on Thursday, you can send them 3 different emails to help them upgrade. And you can put that into your autoresponder so it automatically does that on Thursday. And then throughout the week, you stay in touch with them. So you're really building a relationship with them and helping them understand who you are and how you can help them, right? So this will take you step by step, exactly what Rob and Nick are doing in order to get the results that you're looking for, okay? So I'm going to leave these links down below in the video and check them out. If you have any questions, comments, please leave those down below. Also, if you find this valuable and this helps you grow your business, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. I will see you guys tomorrow. And again, guys, go get it. Have fun. Live good.